Hello, hari ini kita mau study English. We would like to study about English. Don't forget to open page 65 and then we would like to study again about the farm animal. Okay, for this section we would like to study about animals, but we use phonics to make it clear, to make it easy. Okay, the first one in this row, bagian sini itu tulisannya salah ya friend. Kita mau benerin di sebelah sini, kayak yang ini nih, ini sudah benar. The first one is said like cow. The word says cow. Where is the cow or cow? Where's the cow? Yes, this is the cow. Please draw line. Draw line. Okay. Next. And then the next one. This is duck. So I would like you to write down duck like this. Duck. Where's the duck? Yeah, let's draw line to duck. And then this one is horse. What is this, friends? Horse. The horse is spelled like H-O-R-S. Di belakang tidak dibaca. Horse itu namanya silence E, silence A. Horse. Where is horse? Draw line here. Okay, next. This is goat. Goat. Repeat. I will make it nice, ya. Goat. Where's the goat? Goat itu kambing ya friend, beda dengan sheep. Kalau sheep dia bulunya panjang, banyak bulunya. Kalau goat itu tidak ada, jadi dia hanya kulit biasa. And then the last one is sheep. Double itu bacanya I ya. Sheep. Sheep. So matching to sheep. Okay, if you are ready, you may color ya. Now before coloring, let's go to the next page. Okay, untuk page 66 kita mau draw line. The animal have lost their babies on the farm. Jadi tuh animalsnya punya baby, tapi babynya ini hilang. Jadi kita mau ketemuin ya. Okay, the first one, this is chicken or hen. Maminya ayam ya, hen. The baby's name is chick. Repeat after me. Chicken has a baby is chick. Okay, matching. A chick is a baby hen. Okay, next, this is horse. Where is the baby? Yes, this is the baby. Foal. The name is foal. Foal is a baby horse. And then next one, sheep. Where is the baby? Yes, this is the baby lamb. The baby name is lamb. Lamb is a baby sheep. And then the next one, cow. Where's the baby's cows? Yeah, calf. A calf is a baby cow. And then the last one is duck. Where is the duckling? Yes, draw line here. A duckling is a baby duck. Okay, if you are ready, you may color. Boleh diwarnain ya, mau yang page ini atau page yang sebelum juga boleh. Okay, thank you.